Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Instacart gift cards. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply search for Instacart. Once you've done that, click on the first link right over here and make sure that you've already made an account, and go ahead and click on account on the bottom left hand, and now scroll all the way down until you see credits, promos, and gift cards. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right here where, as you can see, your credits is going to be 0, your view balances, your balance is going to be 0 as well. Now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and redeem your gift card is click on add, and this is where you want to go ahead and add the code that is on the back of your gift card, and just click on add funds, and it will go ahead and process it and have your credits settled. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.